Now we can start decimal. What is decimal? If a fraction whose denominator in the power of 10, so it can be write in decimal form. A fraction whose denominator in power of 10, so it can be write in decimal form. It is called decimal. For example, 7 upon 10. So B can be write this 0.7. Second, 3 upon 100. B can be write in 0.03. 0.001, etc. It is fraction and it is decimal form, like decimal. It has same number of decimal place. For example, 3.123, 2.101, 3.001, 4.002, etc. After decimal, 3 digits are there. So decimal place are equal. So these are called like decimal, because if we can divide, if we can convert into fraction, so downward point write 1 and write the 0 of decimal place. So these have same denominator. These are called like fraction. So in decimal, these are also known as like decimal. It has not same number of decimal place. Example, 1.2, 3.21, 0.2231, etc. After decimal, digit number are not same, 1, 2 and 3. So these are known as like decimals, because if we can convert into fraction, the denominator are not same, like that. गड़बड़ी हो जाए. If the digits after points are same, then are called like decimal. Not same are called unlike decimal. If the fraction with a same denominator in terms of 10, degree 10, these are called like decimal. If these are not same denominator with the degree of 10, so these are known as unlike decimal. So let me start exercise to see question number 1. Write as decimals 3 upon 10, 15 upon 100, 49 upon 1000, 21 3 upon 1000. First 3 upon 10. So how can we convert a fraction number into decimal? So first of all, see the zero. How many zero are in denominator? Only one zero. So count one number in the numerator, take decimal after that. 1. So 0.3 is your answer. Second, 15 upon 100. So two zeros are there. So decimal we will take after two place. Third, 49 upon 1000. There are three zero and two dates are there. So first of all, we have to write 0 in front of 49 to make it 3 dates and cancel with 30 with a decimal. 0.49. So answer. Next, 21 3 upon 1000. First of all, we will convert it a whole number and a proper fraction. Now, there are a single digit. First of all, we have to write two zeros are there, huh? 21 plus 0.003 is equal to 21.003. This is your answer. Or second method is this 21 3 upon 1000. So first of all, we will convert it into a improper fraction. 1000 multiply 21 plus 3. 21 multiply 1000 plus 3 upon 1000. So count three place from the right and take decimal. So 21.003 is your answer. There are two methods. So any method you will use. After decimal, we will count one by one digit. 21.003. Question number 2. Express as mixed number. There are mixed fraction, not number. 3.145, 8.93, and 12.025, and 16.02. So first, 3.145 is equal to write as 3 plus 0.145. Now 3 plus 1.5. Write 1. Write 1 below the decimal and write number of zeros. How many digits are given after decimal? And 3 digits are there, so 3 zeros come here. Now 145 upon 1000. If we want to write it in simplest form, so first of all, we have to divide it by 5. Any number. 5 2 are 10. 5 9 are 45. 5 2 are 10, 0, 0. 3 plus 29 upon 200. 329 upon 200 is your answer. 8.93. Write as 8 plus 0.93. So we will convert it into fraction. 0.93 below decimal write 1 and number of zeros 2 zeros because 2 digits are there. 893 upon 100 and rest you will do. Now question number 3. Express as fraction in their lowest term 0.04, 0.19 and these. So first is 0.04. First we write decimal number into fraction. Write 1 below decimal and take 2 0 because 2 digits are there. SCF of 2 and 100. SCF of 4 and 100 is equal to 4. So divided by 4 numerator and denominator. Both of them. 4 1 are 4. 400 divided by 4 is equal to 25. It's your answer. Second, 0.19. First of all, we will convert it into fraction. Right below 19 upon 100. There is no common number between 19 and 100 because 19 is prime number. Question number 4. Write the fraction 1 upon 2, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 with denominator 10 and hence express these as decimals. So first is 1 upon 2. We will convert into with denominators 10. So multiply and divide in denominator and denominator both by 10. Multiply and divide by 10. 1 upon 2 multiply 10 upon 10. So 10 1 is 10, 10 upon 2 multiply 10. 2 5 is 10. So 5 upon 10 is your answer. Now express is decimal. So 5 upon 10, how many zeros are there? 1. So write decimal after one place. 0.5 is your answer. Third, 3 upon 5. So first of all multiply 10 upon 10 in numerator and denominator both. 10, 3 times 30, 4, 5 multiply 10, 5 6 are 30, 6 upon 10. It's your fraction. Now we convert 6 upon 10 in decimal. So 0.6 is your answer. Question number 6. Add. First 559.7 and 1.039. So first of all, we will write it below the decimal. Write decimal. And every value write according to their decimal. Below the decimal digit, second digit, write here plus 937 and 110 carry 1 5. Second 46.879 2.3 and 728. All the digit sides like that. 9 9 7 5 12 carry 1 8 3 11 1 12 carry 1 8 8 16 1 17. Sure answer. So multiply first 6.58 multiply by 10. So how many are zeros are there? Only one. So when we multiply by 10, so decimal place, change their place, one digit, right, and comes your answer. Your digit place number of zeros by second 0.004 multiply by 100. Two zeros are there. Decimal comes before after two place. So it comes here, two zeros 0.4. It's your answer. Second 6.58. You can write like as decimal cancel with 1 and two zeros are there. 1 0 cancel with 1 0. 1 zeros are there, so after one place decimals should be lying. It's your answer. It is second method. Now, first of all, remove the decimal 4 upon 1000. Cancel with two zeros. 4 upon 10. 0.4. So, answer. It is second method. Any method you will use. It is easy. How many zeros are there? So, decimal shift before number of place according to zeros. Fourth part. 76.4273 multiply with 1000. There are three zeros. So when we multiply by 1000, decimal shift three place in right. Sure answer. So multiply with 0.0038358 by 0.0542. So write like that. 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 1 11. Write like that and multiply there. 2 8 is 16, carry 1, 2 5 is 10, 1 11, 2 3 is 6, 1 7. 4 8 is 32, carry 3 4, 4 5 is 23, 23, carry 2, carry 4 2, 4 3 is 12, 12 and 2, 14. Next 5, 5 8 is 40, carry 4, 5 5 25, 4 29, carry 2, 5 3 is 12, 15, 15 and 2, 17. Add all of them. 6, 3, 10 carry 1, 13 1 14, 8 1 9, 1. Now take the decimal. Count the place after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here also. 6, 7, 3 decimal place, 5. And here 4. So first we count 4 and 5, 9. So after 9, before 9 digits, decimal is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The point is there. It's your answer. Divide 8.9 by 10. So 57.93 by 1000. So first 8.9 divided by 10. So how many zeros are there? 1. So replace decimal by 0. It comes 1 digit left. So it will come here 0.89. It's your answer. Second, fifth 75.93 divided by 1000. 70.593 upon 1000. There are 3 zero. So decimal comes in front of 3. So only 2 places are there. So first we write 0 here. In decimal place comes here. 0.07593. Sure answer. 125.048 divided by 8. First of all write like as divide by 8. 8 1 is 8. 12 minus 8 4. Write 5 here. 8 5 is 40. Now when we take digits after decimal, so first we write decimal in your question and write next digit. 8 6 is 48. 2, write 4 here. 8 3 is 24. Write next number. 8 1 is 8. It's your answer. Next, 6.25 divided by 0.5. So 6.05 divided by 0.5. So first we convert into fraction. Divided by 0.5 upon now it is in divide. We can convert it by their reciprocal and divide multiply. 0 cancel with 0, 5 cancel with 125. So 125 upon 10. So write 0 here. So 12.5 is your answer.